I'm making flan today. How many eggs you got in there?
5.
5 eggs. Now I'm looking for the sugar. Carefully measure the sugar.
It's making caramel.
We're making caramel. I'm the restocker. And now we're carefully pouring in Eagle something.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. That more evaporated milk?
Yeah.
Oh, so you use condensed milk and evaporated milk.
It gives it a better taste than regular milk.
Here it is. A little bit of vanilla. Back to restocking. What a mess. A little bit of sugar, salt. Stir it until what?
Till it's all together.
Till it's all mixed. And then pour the eggs, and what else is in the eggs?
Nothing. Just
Nothing,
eggs.
just eggs. Sure, I'm glad I'm not going to eat that stuff.
Oh, Lee, you always eat it. Don't say that in the video. I think that might be good. I'll have to try it.
About 2 inches of water on the bottom of the pressure cooker.
Caramel is setting good.
I guess so. Now you wait, huh?
I gotta wait till that's done so I can.
Well, then be back in a minute. Okay, you gotta go like
You
this.
swirl it.
Swirl it around. Then you take that stuff. Pour into that stuff, I guess. That thing is hot.
Okay, let me put it over here so. Let's see. Yeah, I think so.
Looks good to me.
Yeah. Alright, now we turn the fire on high. And put the lid on.
One lid coming up.
There.
Oh, I see why it didn't do the
Why?
because you didn't turn it on the
Where's
thing
that?
on top. Gonna try to take it out and turn it over. We'll see what happens.
Well, yeah, I'll let you do it then.
Alright.
Here, you.
Oh, there was barely any water left. We need to
Oh,
put a little more in there next time.
well.
Anyway, okay, we gotta let it cool before we turn it over. Alrighty.
Nothing short of, oh, I forgot to do the hot water thing.
Oh well.
Nothing short of perfection.
I mean, came out perfect. What do you know about that?
Yep.